Welcome to our video on the role of a strategic partner in implementing and supporting Genesys Cloud. Genesys Cloud is a cloud-based contact center platform that offers a variety of customer service and engagement solutions. A value-added reseller, or VAR, is a third-party company that resells and implements software, often adding extra value by providing implementation, customization, and support services. In the context of Genesys Cloud, a strategic partner plays a crucial role in helping organizations implement and support the platform. A partner can provide various services to assist organizations in making the most of their Genesys Cloud deployment, such as customizing the platform to meet specific needs and requirements, integrating it with other systems and technologies, providing training to ensure staff proficiency, and providing ongoing support and maintenance to ensure smooth operation. Additionally, a partner may handle specific tasks and responsibilities, such as consultation to determine the best approach for implementation, handling the technical aspects of implementation, customization, training, and ongoing support. In summary, a value-added reseller plays a vital role in helping organizations implement and support Genesys Cloud by providing a range of services that assist organizations in getting the most out of their Genesys Cloud deployment. To learn more, contact VDS today. Finally, choose a partner that you can see working with long-term. Look for a partner that is a good fit for your organization's culture and values and that has a proven track record of providing ongoing support and service. By following these best practices and carefully evaluating potential partners, you can ensure that you are partnering with the right one for your organization's needs. Thank you for watching. If you would like to learn more about Genesys Cloud partners, contact VDS today.